Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting DIY project for all you Dodge Durango owners out there. We'll be showing you how to replace the radio screen, so let's get started. Make sure you have the necessary tools, as I have a spoon, fork, and a dinner knife that I am going to use to remove the panels. Now use the knife and a fork to remove the trim panels surrounding the radio screen. Be careful not to scratch or damage any parts. Next, remove the screws holding the radio screen in place. Depending on your model, there may be 2 or 4 screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully unplug the wiring harness connected to the back of the screen. Here I'll show you how to remove this frame and how to access this screen. There's a small wire here. Be careful not to break it. Now we'll open these screws. Now carefully unplug this. So here we have the new screen. Now it's time to install the new radio screen. Take your new screen and connect the wiring harness to the corresponding connector at the back. Ensure it is securely plugged in. And there you have it. You have successfully replaced the radio screen in your Dodge Durango. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more automotive DIY projects and helpful tips. Until next time, drive safe and take care.